by Stephen Fretwell uses 4 chords throughout the verse: C major, A minor, F major 7 and a G chord. The intro is going to start on a C chord and we're going to strum up, down, down, down. This is actually going to be the main rhythm throughout the whole song. Up, down, down, down. It's played with that 16th note triplet feel. Start off on the C, we have down, up, down, 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 then the riff comes in, 3 on the D, 2 on the D, 3 on the A. Same rhythm, down, up, down, 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 riff again. Same strumming, then we have a little different run going to an A minor chord, open D, 2nd fret on the D, open A. Same strumming on the A minor, 2nd riff again. This time we have a slightly different strumming pattern there, so we have the riff, down, up, we'll hit the 2nd fret on the D, up, down strum, open, D, 3rd fret on the A, run into the F chord. So the A minor, down, up, down, D, 2nd fret, up, down, open, D, 3, 1, then we're to an F major chord. So. Strumming, down, up, down, down, down. Little run, open, 1, 3 on the low E. G chord, down, up, down, down. Back to that run, 1, open, 3. So 1 on the low E, open E, 3 on the A. Then back to a C chord. Back to the riff we've just played. So the whole thing slowly is C. First riff, again, 2nd riff, takes us to A minor, 2nd riff again, the variation, F, open 1, 3, G, 1, open 3 on the A, C. To the start. Da, da, da. Coming out of the verse and going into the chorus, we finish on a C chord. We've got down, 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 down. And then the last strum here on the forehand, going to put the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the G string and make it a C7, down, play a full bar of this. On the last strum on the down, we're going to swap to an F major chord. Last strum of this bar, we change to an F minor chord. Go to a C chord, and this is where we start and loop the whole chorus again. So C, C7, F, F minor, back through to C, C7 and so on. So we finish the chorus on the C7 chord, we play down, down, up, down, stop, a little accented strum on the 2 hand there to stop the chorus, then we're straight back into the verse.